Hey lovelies, welcome back, and today I'm trying another one product challenge using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Defining Cream. I actually discovered how useful this product on its own is by accident, and then I realized once I compared the ingredients that this is the only product out of the whole Curl Talk line that doesn't have the ingredient glycerin. Glycerin acts like a negative charge in your hair strands. An example, if the environment has more moisture than your hair, then the glycerin opens up your hair to draw in moisture from the environment until your hairs reach an equilibrium balance of moisture with the environment around it. This can be great if your hair needs the extra moisture boost or you live in a drier climate, but I live in hella humid Miami. In my case, glycerin causes the moisture to keep traveling in and out of my hair strands until they're all swollen up, and then it results in super frizzy hair. I know that there are a lot of curly gurus out there that already know a lot about glycerin and probably have better explanations than I do, but this has seriously been a game changer for me. As you can see on day 1, 2, and 3, I'm really happy with my results, and it has reduced a huge amount of frizz for me. I hope this mini crash course on glycerin has been helpful for you as it has been for me, and please feel free to leave a comment or opinion down below. Thank you for watching.